Hi guys, I have a little announcement. That's the first time that I'm making a video with talking, so don't judge me, okay? I'm really terrified. I'm trying not to be nervous. Today we're drawing Twilight Sparkle, a great character. Okay, let's start from the ear. It is the shape of an almond, not a completed almond. And then you should decide where the mane should be. It's not straight, as it seemed to be. It's a little bit rounded and has some splits on it, usually that one. The top of the mane is here. And just under it we should mark our face. A little nose in the front of the face. And a mouth. So here we have the head. Let's complete our mane. Leave some space for the horn. And draw a few lines. Some of them will have pink and purple colors. Decide where your horn is going to be. I just put a spot and drawn 2 lines from it. Make it a little bit rounded, not sharp, not as long as Celestian's. And it has some spirals upon it. Draw some lines. I think they are locks. And let's draw the face. Here we have an eye. It can be rounded or a little bit oval shaped. I decided to make it more oval-like. And in the center of it we also have 2 ovals. The both should be white, blank. Twilight has a little bit thick eyelashes. Her eye isn't rounded, it has some corners, but the top of it is like a half circle, with 3 eyelashes. Then draw the bottom of the eye. It's a bold line with also 3 eyelashes. And the eye itself, as I said, is a little bit oval. These stripes are for the violet part, and here 2 ovals for shines. Color the center with the black pen, or just with the black pencil. Be careful not to remove those tiny ovals. We still need them. But I think a little bit rounded eyes are more cute. Here is a little tongue. And let's draw the body. The chest is rounded. And draw right and the left hoofs. Her right hoof is bounded. And the left one is straight, but really it's a little bit bounded. The hidden one is straight, yes, it said who's straight. The violet has a great shape, so draw it well. Here we have two stripes for the color parts of the mane. I mean the pink one and the violet one. Her wings are not so sharp as Pegasus ones, just the other horns, so draw huge rounded wings. Feathers are also not long, they're middle length and rounded as well. So yes, it has like a double layer. Here we can see the second wing. Here we have the tail. It's like cutted one. It has a cut or a split, call it whatever you want. And also few lines for the color stripes, for the color locks. The thick and the thin one. And few lines as a decoration. The cutie mark is a star. And also the 5 regular stars. Color the eye using the violet color, but leave the center black. Just try to make the gradient from the top and from the bottom of the eye. Don't push hard around the center of the color part. And then cover the top and the center of the eye with black color to remove the shine from the pen. Next coloring part is the tongue and the mane. Color the right stripe with a pink color. It's bright, so push harder. Also color the widest stripe. It's the right one at the tail. And the cutie mark, like a sparkle. Color the rest of the mouth with maroon color or just dark violet, whatever you like. Some white color for the eye, for its shines and for the gradient. Oh, I forgot to draw eyelashes. And the nostril. My bad. Give some shadow, some gray shadow for the top of the eye. And color the second stripe of the mane with a purple color or the violet one. The same thing is on the tail. The rest part of the mane just fill with the navy blue one, the navy blue color. Don't worry about that decoration lines, we just draw them later with the black color. And also, I decided to draw a blue outline around the mane, because in the cartoon all the ponies have that outline with different colors, and Twilight has a blue one. So yeah, just push harder at the edges. Or you can choose a darker blue color to make that outline. And also I like the little gradient at the end of the tail and the end of the mane upon that two colored lines. It's so stylish. Don't you think so? Trying to mix the purple color. And just shadow the bottom of the tail. Because I like the shadows, I like the gradients. They bring more life in the drawing. Cover this with blue to remove some white spots. Repeat this operation with the mane. Honestly, my favorite part is coloring, because you can do whatever you want there. You can create some new shapes or just repeat the original ones. Here we have a white color to make the tail and the mane smooth. And now let's color the whole body with the lilac color, or you can use a pale violet one. Try to draw more carefully, because I'm not drawing like this. I just understood that the wooden desk is playing against me. It leaves some white stripes. I don't like them. But don't worry, we can save the situation by using a white color to make the body look more smooth. And as I said before, I like shadows. So here I'm using the violet color, the dark one, I mean, to create shadows at the hidden wing, at the ear, around the horn, and around the feathers, below the head, and at the bottom of the body, inner parts of the hooves, the belly and the chest. Sometimes I like the gradient at the bottom of the hooves. I think Princess Cadence has that gradient. And here's the white color which I told you about. I'll cover hooves and the chest and the top of the wings with it. Isn't it smooth now? I guess it is. So now I'm starting to like my job. And also the white color makes their whole body to shine in some parts. Draw the feathers properly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And guys, listen. So if you like this style, if you're not annoyed with my talking, please draw in the comments. not draw, just write, okay? I really want to know if you like it, because I'm still not as good as I'd like in commenting. And for the record, I'm not thinking that I'm going to make every video with this voice cover. I'm just going to provide you with subtitles in the next episodes. Thank you one more time for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!